All right, we got 2 bears and a lion spotted, and we're going after the bigger bear right now. We got Summer on the gun, so let's see if we can get him. All right, we made it across the creek. Let's see if we can't go relocate this bear.
Good. Reload.
Good hit.
Reload. He's dead.
That was awesome. We got ourselves a bear down. Whew. We just stalked in on that bear, got a little over 100 yards, and she crushed him. It was freaking epic. Holy crap. Just walking up on him now. Let's go check it out. What's really cool is the boars have a bone in their wiener, and you can boil it out and make a little stir stick.
Oh, Swiss stick.
Alright, we're just breaking down the bear, and we made some bear nugs. Cooked down the fat and then put the little piece of meat in there. Good flavor. Really? Alright, well, we're packing the bear out, and we found a horn, and it's big. It's really big. So we're having a lot of fun. Summer's got her bear, and now we're gonna hike out. Couldn't find the other side, but this will do.